Hi everyone, this is Curious Nisha and welcome back to the channel. According to recent C Entertainment updates, paparazzi Liu Dachui shared some juicy insider gossip during a live broadcast. He claimed that a staff member from Sang Yi team allegedly spoke to one of his colleagues, revealing that Sang Jingyi and Chen Feiyu did date. Even crazier, the paparazzi claimed that after Chen Feiyu allegedly broke up with her, Sang Jingye was left deeply heartbroken during filming back in Shanghai, showing a noticeable shift in her mood behind the scenes. As expected, these claims immediately set C Entertainment's social media on fire. While Lighter and Princess shippers are going wild over the possibility that their on-screen chemistry was real, many fans are heavily calling out the paparazzi for place-chasing clout. One fan commented, the paparazzi will never get tired of bugging Feiyu. He should stay in the slammer longer so he learns his lesson," referring to past legal actions taken against rumor mongers. Even the speakers in the live stream themselves admitted that this is all about a second-hand or third-hand word of mouth, a classic he said, she said scenario, without concrete photographic proof. Without official confirmation or direct evidence, fans are taking these breakup claims with a massive grain of salt. So what do you guys think? Do you believe the paparazzi's claims? Or is this just another attempt to stir up drama around two hot young stars? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for the latest C Entertainment updates. See you in the next one. Bye! Take care!